How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2014 Audi Q5 Premium Plus, the 2.0 turbo engine, 108,000 miles, just serviced. Do a quick walk around video here, point out here in the rear bumper you got a little scratch right there by the light. Thing drives great. Body just has a couple of blemishes we'll point out. Little curb rash on a couple of the rims, but as you can see right there, there's like a little clear coat fade there. A little bit of curb rash on that wheel. But overall, for 14, really good condition. Again, that's a little bit of clear coat fade on the hood. A really pretty paint color on this thing. It's almost like a copper. Go ahead and check out the interior here. You see the interior is in excellent condition. Pano roof, Premium Plus edition. Pretty loaded up. Has nav, backup camera, heated seats. Go ahead and give it a start up. 108,000 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, give us a call, 228-438-2056. Or you can email us or text us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Also, check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you know somebody may be interested. Thanks for checking out our video.